Are you a student looking for smart ways to make money without sacrificing your studies? In this video, I'll show you legit and creative ways to earn cash while in school. Let's dive in. Start with freelancing. If you can write, design, code, or manage social media, websites like Fiverr and Upwork can help you land gigs. Imagine turning your skills into cash, right from your dorm room. It's a fantastic way to gain experience and build your resume while earning some extra bucks. You can also create and sell digital products like PowerPoint templates, ebooks, or study guides on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. This is a brilliant way to make passive income. Once you create these products, they can keep earning you money while you focus on your studies. The best part? You only have to make them once. Are you good at a subject? Start tutoring your classmates or teaching online on platforms like SuperProf or Skillshare. It's a great way to reinforce your own knowledge while helping others. Plus, you can set your own rates and schedule. Turn your skills into income. It's as simple as that. Join affiliate programs and earn commissions by recommending products you love. Use YouTube, TikTok, or blogs to share them. It's all about promoting products you genuinely believe in and earning a cut when someone buys through your link. It's a win-win. You help others and you get paid for it. Making money as a student is totally possible. Just start smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more smart skills with Sarah. See you in the next one.